If you've got an existing task that has a deadline date, did you know there's more than one way to change that date? In this video, I'll show you how to do that in Microsoft Project. So here we are in our Microsoft Project plan, and we can see that we have a task with a deadline date set. Usually to change that date, we could select our Task tab, look for our Properties group, and click the information icon. Alternatively, of course, we could always just double-click on the task row. Now, either way, this will bring up the task information dialog box, and here we then click on the Advanced tab. And now we can see the existing deadline date, and we can change this here in the usual way. However, from within the Gantt chart itself, we could also drag and drop the deadline icon to a new date. Now, that may have seemed obvious, but sometimes it's these little tips that help make project planning that much easier in your Microsoft Project plan. Well, I hope you found that useful, and if you did and you'd like more hints and tips on using Microsoft Project, then please follow my link tree to find out where I post on Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube. If you'd like to know more about the formal training that I can provide on the use of Microsoft Project, then my contact details are here too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye now.